Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Cooking with Fatima Zara. Today I'm going to show you how to make preserved lemons. Cut the lemons into 4 to form wedges, but don't cut all the way down. Keep the lemon attached at the base. Open each lemon and put 1 tablespoon of salt inside. Do the same to the rest and fill up the jar with the lemons. Try to squeeze maximum lemons in. Pour the rest of salt on top and fill in the jar with water. Seal the jar, turn it up and down occasionally to mix the salt all over. At first, the water will be cloudy, but after a couple of days it will become clear. Keep it in a cool place. It can be stored more than 6 months. And after 1 week you can store it in the fridge, but avoid storing the jar in dark places, as the lemons will become dark and lose their yellowish fresh color. In Morocco, we use preserved lemons for tagines, pastilla, and stews, but you can use them as well in salsas and dip, salad dressings and sauces, and pasta dishes.